So there are various types of queues that happen everywhere, but however we see what are the basic components that are part of the queue. There is an input pattern or input process, which we also call that as arrival pattern. Usually arrival pattern takes place with Poisson distribution, which is a discrete probable distribution. What that means is no one exactly knows when a customer will walk into the system or will walk into an organization. It is random and it is not at a given pattern, or this itself is a pattern. Random arrival itself is a pattern, but no one can predict, a business cannot predict about the arrival of but for a fixed period of time, the number of units or number of customers entering into the system can be known, which is known as Poisson distribution. And similarly, Q is the length of customers standing in the queue, so standing for getting the service, that is known as Q. Q may be defined as the number of customers waiting in line for getting the service. Similarly, in service facilities, we have two kinds of things which are known as phases and channels. Channels represents the way customers are arriving into the system. Phases are the number of times the customers have to be serviced. For example, if a customer is arriving into a petrol bunk or gas station, he will any vehicle, either it should be a petrol vehicle or it should be a diesel vehicle. If it is a petrol vehicle, it straight away goes to the petrol server where that is being served and he will leave. This is one phase service. That means once a customer enters into the system and he will get serviced and he will leave. So that means it is a single phase service system where it need not again go to other kind of thing. But in some cases there may be multiple phases. Not necessarily in one place it is done. It has to be done first phase, second phase, third phase, fourth. Generally in our daily life we will see when we go for buffet lunch or buffet dinner, those kind of things, we will see after serving one thing, then you move forward, then you get serviced something, again you move forward, then you get serviced something. Likewise, it is in multiple phases. So, and the channels means only whether there is only one line that the customers are entering into the system, or there are multiple channels. Like we see at railway station, there will be multiple counters that will be there, or in banks we will find multiple counters. Those are known as channels. Outlet is something when after getting the service, the customer will be leaving. That means he will be going out of the system, that is known as outlet.